Hey there, fellow woodworking enthusiasts. Welcome back to Woodworking Zone. Today, we're diving into the fundamentals of woodworking. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to brush up on your skills, this video is perfect for you. Before we jump into any projects, let's talk about the essential tools you'll need to get started. 1. Handsaw. A good quality handsaw is essential for making precise cuts in wood. It's versatile and doesn't require electricity, making it perfect for beginners. 2. Power drill. Next up, we have the power drill. This tool is indispensable for drilling holes and driving screws. Make sure to have a set of drill bits for different tasks. 3. Hammer. Every woodworker needs a trusty hammer for various tasks such as driving nails and adjusting joints. 4. Chisels. Chisels are used for carving and shaping wood. Invest in a set of different sizes for versatility. 5. Measuring tape and square. Accurate measurements are crucial in woodworking. A measuring tape and square will ensure your cuts are precise and your projects turn out just right. Now that we have our tools ready, let's talk about some basic woodworking techniques. 1. Marking and measuring. Start by marking your wood according to your project plans. Use a pencil and a ruler or square for accurate measurements. 2. Cutting. Once your wood is marked, it's time to make your cuts. Remember to measure twice and cut once to avoid mistakes. 3. Joinery. Joinery refers to the methods used to connect pieces of wood together. Common techniques include butt joints, dowel joints, and mortise and tenon joints. 4. Sanding. After cutting and joining your pieces, sanding is essential for achieving a smooth finish. Start with coarse grit sandpaper and gradually move to finer grits for a polished look. Now, let's put these techniques into practice by assembling a basic woodworking project. And there you have it. With just a few basic tools and techniques, you can create amazing woodworking projects. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, check out Woodworking Zone for more woodworking tips and tutorials. Happy woodworking! Subscribe to Woodworking Zone.